Hello everyone, welcome back. Today in this video I'm very excited to announce that I'm announcing the giveaway winner, right? So these are the users who are contributed into this giveaway, and I'm going to announce the winner from these users, right? By the way, if you are not familiar with my YouTube channel, my name is Hidayat Niazi and I'm full stack web developer. Nowadays I'm shooting different playlist and different tips and tricks on the Laravel, so you can check these videos like Laravel design pattern. If you are creating a bigger application, you must watch this series, because this contains things like how you can structure your project, how to use the best practices and stuff like that, set up VS Code, how you can boost your development process, Laravel PDF series, Laravel 9 course, Laravel email series where you can send email based on the activated themes, okay, Stripe integration and much more things. So here now I'm going to announce the winner. Are you ready? So first let me tell you that how I seeded these users. Okay, let's go here, and there is first user is Ahmed Qureshi and Mashood Ahmed. So this one is Mashood Ahmed, number is 150, and Ahmed Qureshi number is 7, right? And this one Trick Nigalan, I am not pronouncing this correctly, sorry, 999, okay, and then coding Sikho 268, and then Zafar Fahim 786. So I have added these users here, but I'm not going to select all of the one. Why? Because I have added the 3 simple steps to contribute in this giveaway, right? So the very first step is you need to subscribe the YouTube channel and press the bell icon, right? The second would be you need to share it with your 3 friends, at least 3 friends, any of the platform like WhatsApp, like Instagram or Twitter or stuff like that. Okay, the third one, you need to comment on this video, but only 2 ones, the Ahmed Qureshi and Mashood Ahmed did this here, that's why I'm just selecting these 2 ones, not all of the ones. So just select the Ahmed Qureshi and Mashood Ahmed, right? And I'm going to process these, I'm going to click on this process, and this is going to announce one winner, right? So are you ready? Okay, I'm clicked on this, and yes, Ahmed Qureshi is the winner, which ID is 7. So it means that first of all I want to say Ahmed Qureshi, thank you for contributing this giveaway, and many congratulations from the Career Development Lab. You are the winner of this giveaway. So please contact us on this, our email, contact us at @cdlcell.com by your official email, then I will send the project with you. And if you are new on this YouTube channel or new on this video, if you are not familiar with the giveaway, basically I'm giving the Laravel project with 3 requirements. I already told you in the first of this video, and please watch this video and fulfill these requirements, and then you will be also eligible for the Laravel project, to get the Laravel project free of cost. So I'm going to ask once again, Ahmed Qureshi, congratulations, and you are the winner of this giveaway. So everyone, thank you so much for contribution, and in the next video I'm going to do one more amazing project, and you need to fulfill these requirements. So if you have any query, so you can ask this in the comment box. So I will meet you in the next one. Bye bye.